Hi everyone, Colleen here. I just wanted to show you a quick little card. This is one I made last month in my advanced card class and it went down really well. When you open it up, it opens and looks like that on the inside. I found it on Pinterest and I really liked it. I made a few little changes to it since then, but I thought we'd make one today using the, what have I done? There it is. We'll be using the Pirate Birthday, and we're also going to be using the ink blot stamp set. So that's the two I've chosen today. But I thought this was rather a sweet little one with its pirate and its little boat. It's got Happy Birthday, Mate, Matey and Ahoy and a little sword. And it's just a really little sweet one for a boy. We don't seem to make enough boy cards, so I thought, oh, let's give it a go. So first of all, we're going to, our piece of paper is 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and we're going to just randomly stamp. Before I do that, put a piece of foam underneath so I can get even coverage. Here we go. So we're just going to randomly stamp in Sapphire. There we go. So I'll put that away and clean that in a minute. And also in Whisper. Yeah. Do excuse my blocks, my other ones are in my bag ready for a class tonight. So I just thought, oh, I wanted to do a video, and then I thought, oh, I've packed everything away. There we are. So just random stamping like that. And then we'll move those out of the way for the minute. And we'll fold up these because we don't need these anymore. We've finished now with our inks. So Sapphire and Whisper. Now we'll need to have our little piece. Here we go. Our little piece measures, turn that over, 1 3/4 by 2 3/4 inches. And we're going to use our Memento ink with our little pirate on it. Inking up. Excuse my head. And we'll just, there we are. We're just going to put him onto there like that. I think he's such a cute little one. And then we're going to be using our Shinhan markers. Now I've chosen clay, marigold, black, mariner blue, carmine and pastel peach to colour him in with. So magic of television, ta-da! I've already done it. I didn't think you'd like to have to watch me do him, so there he is there. So I've just coloured him in. Now we're going to mount him onto a piece that's 2 by 3 inches. Leave these out the way now, I don't need it. Like I said, it's just a nice quick little card for a little boy for his birthday. You could put a number on this card to denote how old the child is. Now we'll take this piece and our bit that we did the splots on. Yes, the other one I did, we used the stamp of the month for February, and that's no longer available, so I thought I'd show you that it can be made in a different one. Now I've also cut a piece here. This measures 2 7/8 by 3/4 inch, and this one measures 2 3/4 by 1/2 inch. And I'm just going to put a little dot on here for the minute. Mount that onto there and centre it up. Oops, so daisy. Mount it up like that, and then dovetail the bottom. There we go. Oh, these are my little bits, and then pull that back. Add some more glue on it. And there we onto there, so then I get that nice even end on it. We'll be using some, I've packed them all away. That'd be right. Nope, here's some. Couple of little foam squares on the back to lift our little porrid off. And in the middle. Place that onto there, like so. Tape runner on the back of this, tuck that into there. Might cut a bit off that. Won't matter, you won't see it. I just want it to tuck in so it's not. Put it there, I think. There we go. Now mount that onto the front of our card, which is 5 1/4 by, that's a lie, it's 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. Put that onto the front. So there's the front of our card done. I mean, if you wanted to put a 6 or a 5 or something, you could put something up there in that corner if you've got a big shot. Yeah, well, if you've got a big shot and you've got number dies, or if you've got a cricket, you could use that. Now for the centerpiece, this is the easy part. Looks hard, but it isn't. We'll move this aside. Now I've cut the piece 8 by 8 inches, and the first thing we'll do is make a choice. Nope, I'm going to go this way. So we'll have our anchors on the inside. So we fold it in half. Open it out, point to point. Open it out, from that point to that point. You only fold it in half the once. So when you open it out, these two triangles are plain. They don't have any fold in them, where this one does. So what we're going to do now is tuck the big fold back in. So it gives us one big triangle. And then where our center is, we're going to bring our points back to there and fold down. So bring our point over and fold down. Flip it over, bring our point into the center and fold down. And that's it. Then you open it out, so it should look like that when you're done. Then you're going to open it out a bit, and you're going to take these corners and fold them back in on themselves, just like that. So you push the corner back in on itself. So you take it, push, so that that folds back in on itself. So then it should look just like that. So when you open it up, it should have like all of those points pointing into the center. And that's all you need to do. And then we'll add a little bit of adhesive to, yeah, we'll do the top first. And we'll take our card, and we're going to lay this into the center of our card, like so, so that it looks even. Then we're going to fold the front of our card down and press. We're going to flip it over, open up. We're going to add our glue to here. Fold over and press. And when we open it up, there's our piece inside. So it makes an explosion. And that's what this is called, an explosion card. Now I've already done 2 pieces here. These squares measured 2.5 by 2.5 inches, and I've put the little ship on there and just coloured in with the Shin-Han markers, and I've put Happy Birthday Matey on this one. So when I open it up, that piece will fit in there for writing on. So this bit will fit just in here, like so. And I'll turn it round and I'll put that one in up there. I love these kind of interactive cards. Little kids just love to play with them. And there we have it. So now that it's done, when it folds up, it folds flat, fits in an envelope. I couldn't think of the name of the word. So that's it. That's all that you have to do to make this gorgeous little card for somebody. And like I said, if you put the number in it, that would be really lovely. So I hope you enjoyed this little card and give it a go. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.